Hello, good morning. My greetings to you all. Welcome back. I have not been able to post or drop videos on lessons during more than a month due to my illness. So I express my regret for the inconvenience. The chapter today I am going to discuss is the Browning version from Hornbill Class 11 textbook. This is a one-act play. I think students, you will be able to relate yourselves to this story. Why? Because the story is set in school. There are other reasons as well. The story deals with teacher-student relationship. The course of my discussion will include about the playwright, setting, characters, title, overview, analysis, vocabulary, etc. Now let us get to know about the playwright. This is written by Sir Terence Marvin Rattigan. He was a British dramatist and a screenwriter. He was born in 1911 and died in 1917. He developed a passion for reading and used to regularly go to plays. He wrote his first play when he was a mere 10 years old boy. Some of his works are The Winslow Boy, The Deep Blue Sea, the Browning version, etc. Usually his plays feature upper middle class background. Now, what is the setting of this play? The scene is set in a school. Taplo, a student who arrives in school to do extra work as instructed by his teacher named Mr. Crocker Harris. Now let us know about the characters of the play. What are the characters? There are a few characters, very limited numbers of characters. First one, Taplo, a student, is a boy of 16 years old. Next is Mr. Frank. He is a young science teacher. There is one non-speaking character named Mr. Crocker Harris. He is a middle-aged language teacher. And lastly, we have Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris. She is the wife of Mr. Andrew Crocker Harris. Now, let us discuss about the title of the play. The text is an excerpt from the play named The Browning Version, which has a reference to the famous English poet and playwright Robert Browning's translation of famous Greek tragedy Agamemnon. Regarding this title, this is an excerpt, and the title of this play also is the Browning version. So regarding this title here, we are not supposed to find aptness or justification of it. Rather, we should find the significance and relevance of it to the text. Why? Because the text is an adaptation from Robert Browning's translation from Greek tragedy named Agamemnon, written by Aeschylus. Now, overview or about the play. The play unfolds the characters through a conversation between a lower fifth grade student Taplo and a young science teacher. These two are major characters in this play. At the end, we have Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris also to exchange a few dialogues with Taplo. Facts about Mr. Crocker Harris are revealed through Taplo's dialogues with Mr. Frank. From the conversations, we get to know that Taplo has been given extra work as punishment by Mr. Crocker Harris. He teaches classics. The student is waiting for the teacher to return. Taplo says he likes science, doesn't like to read classics. He tells about Mr. Crocker Harris and describes him in an unflattering manner. Even he gets carried away and further imitates the teacher. The young teacher, Mr. Frank, further encourages him to repeat his imitation. At that moment, Mrs. Millie Crocker Harris, the wife of Mr. Crocker Harris, enters. Taplow gets anxious about whether she has heard him ridiculing her husband and if she tells her husband about Taplow ridiculing him, then this might affect his result. So he was anxious about this. But Millie Crocker Harris asks Taplow that her husband will be late to return back, and so he can take the prescription. That means Taplow. She asks Taplow to take the prescription to the chemist and get it done. Meanwhile, if her husband comes, she is ready to take the blame upon herself. So this was the storyline, the plot over here, and this was full of the conversation, maximum conversation we have in between Taplow and Mr. Frank. Now, let us have an analytical, that means part of this play. Let's start from the beginning. I mean to say, the title of the play. Once again, let us analyze this one. Usually, the name or title of the story, prose or poetry, reflects its theme and content. As for example, you have The Portrait of a Lady, a photograph, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, The Ailing Planet, etc. Now, readers or students, they get psychologically prepared. We get psychologically prepared about, or we can guess about the theme or content of the lesson as we read the title. But unlike other chapters in your syllabus, here the title, the Browning version, apparently doesn't reflect or justify the content. Else, it has a literary historical reference. I already mentioned that the play is an adaptation of famous playwright Robert Browning's translation of Agamemnon. Now this is one point. Next point is the student's attitude towards his teacher, middle-aged language teacher. Though Taplow doesn't like the subject taught by Mr. Crocker Harris, but he admires, respects, and loves him. It appears that Taplow doesn't think high of this middle-aged teacher, but we have found that he harbors respect in his mind for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris. The boy rather likes him for him being principled. He was very much principled, disciplined, unbiased, dutiful, strict but not sadist. Even once, Taplow makes it sure that Mr. Crocker Harris' classical joke doesn't go unattended. So out of common politeness, he laughed and responded to it. This shows his concern and respect and love for his teacher. One another point in this analytical part is that in spite of being a non-speaking character in this play, Mr. Crocker Harris has a major presence very well, throughout the play. A very good presence, major presence in this play, throughout the play. Through Taplow's conversation with Mr. Frank. Now, last point in this analytical part is, in this chapter analysis is the ethical issue. Science teacher Mr. Frank is a lenient teacher. He is inexperienced, very frank with students. He envies Mr. Crocker Harris for the effect he has on students. The way Mr. Crocker Harris controls students, his class. Being a teacher, he engages himself. Now Mr. Frank, being a teacher, he engages himself into in conversation with a student, where he provokes the student to comment on the other senior teacher. Even he asks Tableau to repeat his imitation. This is surely mean and unethical on a part of a teacher, for a teacher. Now, this was the overview. We have gone through playwright, about the playwright, setting, then overview. Next, we had analytical part of it. Now, let us get to know word meanings. Meanings of some a few that means words. Over here, you have a list of words, unknown words over here. I can take the first one, remove. Okay, remove means result. Next one is kept in. Kept in is to make someone stay in a place, especially in school, as punishment. Now we have one another word as muck. This means useless. Next word in this book is, in the list, is slackers. Slackers means the students who do not do their work properly. They don't clear the exam properly and etc. They don't study well. Okay, they don't take interest, etc. and etc. Next word is shriveled up. Shrivel up meaning wither, to lose moisture and etc. But here it textually means that to feel embarrassed. That means Mr. Crocker Harris, Tableau told that Mr. Crocker Harris shrivels up inside like a nut once he feels that somebody is loving and liking him. So this was the list of words we have in the book at the beginning, So that's all for the day. We'll meet you in my next video with a new chapter. I request you students to read the text properly. You can take help of this video for reference. Now allow me take a leave. Stay safe. Bye.